Woodpecker. Woodpeckers always attract attention with their bright colors and loud knock-knock-knocking. They dig holes in tree trunks to build a nest and raise their families. When they're done, other animals can make a home in the empty hole. Flickers are brown woodpeckers, but they still have little red caps. If you watch one for a while, you may see it fly out of the trees and down to the ground because their favorite food is ants. Warblers. Tiny little warblers are bright colored but are hard to see. They like to stay hidden in the tops of trees. Although they weigh less than a chocolate chip cookie, they're very strong. Many warblers fly hundreds of miles across the ocean twice a year to find warm weather and the caterpillars they like to eat. Bluebird. Mountain bluebirds are a heavenly shade of blue. It's like someone snatched a little piece of the western sky and brought it down to earth. Sandpiper. You will never see a buff-breasted sandpiper wave its wing at you unless you travel all the way in Alaska or Canada to where the land ends and the sun never sets all summer long. They spend the winter in Argentina, but don't wave their arms until they reach their home in the north.
Winter wren.
The tiny winter wren is no bigger than a thumb, but sings his own little bird symphony.
Blackbird.
Red-winged blackbirds are usually pretty quiet, but in the spring they show off their red shoulder patches to see who can be the biggest and the brightest.